how to make it look like a celebrity has DM'd you on Instagram. Now let's get started right away. Now this is actually pretty easy to do. The first step you want to do is make sure you have a, what's it called again, a creator account or business account. You cannot really do this with a normal account. To do that, you want to go to the settings, scroll a bit down to account, and then right here, for me it says switch account type, and then I can switch to personal account or creator account. For you it would probably say like business account and creator account. So yeah, once you've done all that, and you can go to the search bar, and let's say let's say The Rock, for example. So we're just going to message him, and what the thing is that we're going to do is actually, like, I'm going to message him something. So let's say I would message him, yo, sup king, or something like that. And then as you can see, we have actually sent him that message. And if we go to our messages right now, we can see that I've sent that message. But what you want to do is swipe the message or like the DM with that person to the left, and then click on unread. And now it looks like he sent us that message, or he sent me that message. So from here on out, you can just screenshot that and just send it to your friends and stuff like that to make it look like he actually sent the message to you. And now if you actually open it up again, you can see that you actually sent him that message. So you can do that with every celebrity there is, or like anyone actually. So it's as easy as that. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.